A line passes through this ordered pair 2, -4 and has a slope of -3/2. Use the point slope form of a line to find the equation of this line with these characteristics. All right, so you need to know the formula for the point slope form to be able to work this problem. And it looks like this. It's going to be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1 in parentheses. Now the x and the y here, those are the variables. You want to leave those alone. The y1 and the x1 refers to a specific point that the line passes through. And that's going to be given right here. It tells me that the line passes through 2, -4. That's my x1, y1. Remember, the x is always listed first and the y is always listed second. So the 2 is going to be x1 and the -4 is going to be y1. That's what I'm going to plug in for these two guys. And then m represents the slope of the line, which is given right here as -3/2. All right, so I'm going to plug in. I'm going to leave this y alone. Then I bring down the minus sign. The y1 matches up with -4, so this is going to be a minus a -4. That's a double negative. Minusing a negative number is the same thing as adding the number. I'm going to plug in the m, the slope, -3/2. Leave this x alone, bring down the minus sign, and then x1 matches up with 2. All right, now I want to clean this up a little bit. I'm going to write this in slope-intercept form, which I need to solve for y. All right, so the double negative, that's going to be a plus. So I'm going to turn that into +4. The -3/2, I'm going to distribute. So -3/2 times x, going to be -3/2. I'm going to write x off to the side here. And then I have another double negative, a -3/2 times a -2 here. That's going to be turned into a plus. -3/2 times 2. All right, 3/2 times 2. Think of this as 2/1. The 2's here will eliminate each other. So really this is just 3/1, which is 3. So this is just turns into +3. All right, so I have the y plus 4 on the left-hand side. I'm going to keep the -3/2 x. And then this is going to turn into a +3. Now, if you want slope-intercept form, then we need to get rid of this +4 here. So I'm going to subtract 4 on both sides. That's going to get rid of it on the left. So now I just have a y on the left. And I have this -3/2 x. And then 3 minus 4 is -1. So I'm going to write this as a -1. So this would be the slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. So the m matches up with the slope, -3/2, and the b value is where it crosses the y-axis. It's crossing the y-axis at -1. There you go.